Winning bids is the topic I would like to slightly discuss here with the help of few key concepts. We have proactive bids as well as reactive bids. Reactive bids means we find the RFPs. As a bid managers, we find the RFPs published on public domains, or maybe in the newspapers we see the requirements, and so the basic thing here in the reactive bids is we react to the requirements already posted on public domain. So that if the requirements are already published in the form of RFX, all the competitors, your competitors, all the suppliers, they also know about the publication of that particular requirement. So everybody comes into the competition and you need to compete with everybody. So these are basically called reactive bids, where the winning rate is very minimum when compared to the proactive bids. So let me come to the proactive bids here. So proactive bids are very specific. So here what happens that before release of RFP, you approach the customer, and customer knows you before release of RFP. In fact, some cases they may take help from you, because customer already know you, who you are, what are your capabilities, and they know most of the things about you. So RFP is a kind of formality in those cases. So in those situations, you help the customer before release of RFP. This is called pre-RFP stage. So you go to the customer in the meetings, and you help customer preparing the RFPs requirements. So some people tweak the eligibility criteria. So many things happens in the pre-RFP stage if you are known to your customer, right? So once you receive, like, RFP is published in the public media, by the time you already having your own solution, because you already know what are the requirements going to be published on the to the public. So that would be a cakewalk for you, because you know everything, and your proposals, the win rate is very high in the proactive bids. So it may or may not be possible for all the organizations to respond to, to make the bids proactive, because a lot of people's involvement is required. Sales enablement, business development, and a lot of communication is required with the customer to know their requirements, and there are so many things. So proactive bids and reactive bids. Reactive bids, we respond when we see the RFP in public domain, whereas in proactive, we go along with the customer in the journey, in the buying journey. That is the basic difference. I hope I have added value to you people, and thanks for watching.